Stop.
Imagine this. You walk into a hair salon. You sit in the big chair.
I am already very nervous.
You look in the mirror. The barber smiles at you. He holds his sharp scissors.
I do not like sharp scissors.
He asks a question. You do not know the English words.
So I just guess the answer.
He cuts your hair. He cuts a lot. Your hair falls on the floor.
Goodbye, my beautiful hair.
You panic. You want to cry, but you say nothing.
I just smile like a fool.
You pay the money. You run away fast. Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I am Tina.
And I am Leo. I am your daily disaster.
We all hate bad haircuts. Today, we learn survival English for haircuts. Let us look at today's menu. Phrase 1. Just a trim. It means a very small cut.
Just a trim, so I keep my long hair.
Phrase 2. Too short. It means the hair is not long.
Too short. I feel cold without my hair.
Phrase 3. Looks good. You hate the haircut, but you say this.
Looks good. I am a great actor.
Stick around until the end. Leo will share a funny story.
I accidentally insulted my boss. I used one of these hair phrases.
It is a hilarious story.
Please do not remind me. My face turns red. I wanted to disappear.
Now, time for our awkward theater. Let us roleplay a bad salon visit. I am the cool barber.
And I am the nervous customer. I sit down.
Hello, sir. Welcome to my salon. What do you want today?
My hair is long. I want a small cut. But how to say it?
Oh no, Leo. That just made it worse. Native speakers do not say that.
Oh? Then what is the correct sentence?
You must ask, how do you say it?
Got it. How do you say it? I want a small cut.
A small cut? No problem. I will use my electric machine.
No machine. Only scissors, please.
Too late. Buzz. All done. Look in the mirror. Do you like it?
Oh my God. I very like it.
Stop right there, Leo. We have another big mistake here. We never say, I very like it.
We do not?
No, you must say, I really like it.
I really like it. But my hair is gone. I look like a boiled egg.
Poor Leo, that is a bad day. Sounds familiar?
Do not worry. We have got the fix.
We will teach you the right words. You will save your hair next time. You will never look like an egg.
I am ready to learn. Let us start the lesson.
All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let us jump into some real-life scenes. We will practice our first phrase.
I am ready.
It is a very important phrase. It will save your long hair. Phrase 1 is just a trim.
I am the customer again.
I am the barber. I work in a big salon. You can hear the hairdryer.
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
I hold my sharp scissors. I look at you.
Okay. I am a little scared. The scissors look very sharp.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Hello. I do not want short hair. It took 1 year to grow. Please cut a little bit.
Cut a little bit? That is not wrong. People will understand you.
So I can say that?
But it sounds like a textbook. Native speakers like to be fast. You should use our daily phrase.
What is the phrase?
You should say, just a trim.
So you mean I say just a trim? It is only 3 words.
Yes, it is very simple. It is very natural.
Let us try the scene again.
Good idea. Action.
Hello. I like my current style. I want just a trim, please.
Perfect. I will only cut the ends. I will not change your style.
Thank you. I feel much better. I can relax in the chair.
Wait. There is a hidden trap here. Many people fail this next situation. We move to phrase 2.
What is phrase 2?
Phrase 2 is too short. Sometimes the barber makes a big mistake.
They always make mistakes.
Maybe they are very tired. Maybe they watch TV. They cut off too much hair.
That is terrible.
I am the barber again. I do not listen to your words. I use an electric clipper.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hair is falling everywhere. Look in the mirror, Leo.
Oh no, where is my hair? My head is completely round. I look like a tennis ball. It is not long.
It is not long? That is okay, English, but we can do better.
What should I say?
Native speakers focus on the problem. They say, it is too short.
Oh, so I say, this is too short?
Yes. Try it with some emotion. You are very angry. Wave your hands in the air.
Hey, look at the mirror. This is too short.
Very good acting, Leo. The barber will say sorry. The barber will give you a discount.
But my hair will not grow back today. I have a party tonight.
That is true. It is a big problem. That works for friends. But is the person your angry boss? Let us see.
I have a true story about this.
Oh? Is this the story from earlier?
Yes, my boss wrote a long speech. He worked on it for 5 days. He stayed late at the office.
Wow, he worked very hard. Did he show it to you?
Yes, he called me into his office. He asked for my honest opinion.
And what did you say?
I read the speech. It was great. I wanted to praise his clear words.
That is nice.
I wanted him to feel proud. But my brain stopped working completely. I used the haircut phrase by accident.
Oh no.
I looked at him. I said, "It is too short."
You told your boss that? His hard work was too short?
Yes. His face turned very red. He threw his pen on the desk.
He was very angry.
He said, "I wrote 20 pages."
You made him sound lazy. He wanted more pages? No.
I know. I made a huge mistake. I had to buy him coffee. I bought him coffee for a whole week.
That is a very expensive mistake, Leo. Words are very powerful. Hold on. The next phrase is a secret weapon. Native speakers use it all the time.
What is this secret weapon?
We move to phrase 3. Phrase 3 is, looks good. You use this to protect yourself.
Protect myself?
Yes, it is a polite lie. Your hair is a total disaster, but you want to be polite.
I do not want to fight.
Exactly. You want to leave the salon fast. Let us role play one last time.
Okay, I am ready.
I give you a terrible haircut. I cut a big hole in your hair. I brush away the loose hair.
I am very sad.
I show you the mirror. So, Leo, what is your opinion?
I hate it. It is terrible. You are a very bad barber.
You cannot say that. The barber has sharp scissors. He might get angry.
He might cut more hair off.
Yes, you must use the polite phrase. You must lie to him. You must say, "It looks good."
Got it. So I just say it looks good? Even with a hole in my hair?
Yes. Try it now. Show me your best fake smile. What is your opinion, sir?
It looks good. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Now you pay the money. You walk out the door.
And I run to the hat shop. I buy a big winter hat. I wear it every day in summer.
Exactly. That is how you survive. You hide your pain and smile. You live to fight another day. Remember the awkward moment from the start? Leo sat in the big barber chair. He did not know the right words.
I made many English mistakes. I lost all my beautiful hair. I looked like a boiled egg.
Watch Leo do it right this time. He will use all three phrases. He will survive the salon.
I am ready. I take a deep breath. I sit in the chair again.
Hello, sir. Welcome back to my salon. What do you want today?
Hello. I want just a trim, please. Only cut the ends.
Okay, I will use the machine. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
No, stop! This is too short!
Oh, sorry. I will use scissors now. Snip, snip, snip.
You cut a hole in my hair.
All done. Do you like it?
It looks good. Thank you. Goodbye forever.
Great job, Leo. You survived. Let us review today's three phrases.
Say them out loud with us.
You can use them next time. Phrase 1. Just a trim.
Just a trim. Please keep it long.
Phrase 2. Too short.
Too short. My head feels very cold.
Phrase 3. Looks good.
Looks good. I will buy a hat.
Now it is your turn to practice. Tell us your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every single comment.
Do you have a bad haircut story? Share your sad stories below.
Yes, please share your pain with us. We want to read them.
I want to feel better.
Finally, do not forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
See you. Do not cut your own hair.